How to fix our download shortcut cannot connect to the gallery error in your iPhone. To fix this, you need to download your art download from Routine Hub. So open any browser you have in your device and then search for Routine Hub, and on the searching bar of that website search for art download. Now from here search for art download option for your iOS device and then hit on that. From here select get shortcut, open your shortcuts. Now hit on the setup shortcut and do next, and then last hit on the add shortcut. If you have already, then hit on the replace. Now once you download it from the Routine Hub, your issue will be solved. You can easily connect to the gallery from your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.